Hello everyone, how are we doing today? My name is Lance. I work here at Transwest Truck Trailer RV located here in Belton, Missouri. Today I'd like to talk to you about a coach that we just got in. It is a beautiful 2021 Ventana. It's a 4329 model. It is a true 2-bedroom coach. So it's got a couple of bunks there for the kiddos with an actual door. So can't wait to get in there and show you what that looks like. But before we do, let's do a really quick walk around. As we come around here, you'll see that this has an 8,000 kilowatt diesel generator. It's ultra quiet. It does have an air chuck here, so you can blow up all the, the tubes or all the fun toys. You also have a hot water spigot there. So if you do want to hook up pressure spray here to clean the bugs off, it's kind of a nice little feature. But as we come around, you're going to have some pretty easy access to your electronics here. This bay is going to have just some really easy to get to fuses. You got a little fuse caddy here, so you don't have to go hunting for some spare fuses. I like the ease of it. You do have 8 6-volt batteries down here. This is for the house, so plenty of power to keep you powered up if you're going to do any kind of boondocking, dry camping. You got some really nice light trays. I'm going to pull one of these out. What's nice about that is if you go somewhere, you're at a rest stop, truck stop, and somebody parks really close to you and you can't get to this tray on this side of the coach, it'll go either direction. So really nice, easy access. You get it from either direction. So this coach is built on a Freightliner chassis. And this particular chassis has what's called the Star Foundation in it. That's what gives it this really nice, these big tall bay doors. You can get some really nice bigger items in there, and it's completely solid. It does have the Oasis system. Being that this is a bunk model and you are going to probably have just a few extra people coming along, it's going to be pretty nice when you can actually have endless hot water. So this is also responsible for heating the environment too. It can run on diesel or electric. So if you're out boondocking, you can run it on the diesel. If you're plugged into a shore power at an RV park, you can just go based off your electricity. Back here, you've got your power cord reel. That just pulls out. What's nice about that, it's got a little cutout right there, so you don't have to snake the cord through a hole. You just pop it right in there and you're good to go. When you're all done, you just wind her up. Nice little power cord reel there. You do have a surge guard protection there, so a lot of these RV parks are built in the 50s. The power is kind of probably needs a little bit of updating, so you want to protect your coach from that dirty power. It's nice to have that in there. This would be our wet bay. I love what Newmar's done here. You got your stainless steel. You got a freshwater reel there. You don't have to worry about plugging in your fresh water. It's already plugged in. The same way that we did the power cord, you can do with your fresh water. It's really easy to get to. And now this coach is a tag axle. What's nice about what they've done here with this tag axle is that this rear tag axle will turn with the coach, so it does. You're not going through so many tag axles. The tires will actually have a little bit more lifespan, but it also helps increase the turning radius. So if you are going to an RV park and you got some pretty tight spots to get into, this really makes it nice for getting in and out of those spots. Just got a few extra little storage bays. What is nice is you can see all these bays are lit up. The wet bay, all the different bays down here. You do have a outlet here, so if you are going to be doing some cold weather travel, you can plug this in. This is a heater block for the engine. This Ventana does come with the 400 ISL, so it's going to have plenty of power for getting up them really steep grades. And one of the other nice things that you're going to see is here you got 2 cameras here in the back. The lower one here is part of what's called the OmniView system. This is your 360-degree bird's eye view that you would have. And then you've got your upper camera, which would be like looking out your rear view mirror, which allows you to see what's going on behind you. And then down below, you do have an air supply system. So if you want to hook up an Air Force One, it is equipped with that. So these are going to be your chassis batteries and your power disconnect here for the coach. And then coming on over here, this is kind of a neat little feature. This is where your technicians would get in to get to your fresh water tanks. But what I like is that Newmar actually made this a usable space. So by putting this little board here, you can actually hang up your tools, and so a dual purpose. You do have a nice big tray here, really big tray. You got an outlet down here. Your central vac system is going to be off to the right, so really easy to get to. Just really nice big open space down here, a lot of storage. And you do have an option here in this next bay over. A lot of people put a basement freezer in there, so that is something that is doable. Okay, now if we pan down the side of this coach, you're going to notice that it has a lot of these window awnings here. This was part of the Girard Nova awning package. This coach did get an upgrade, and the awnings that it has, the Girard Nova awnings are also tucked up in the roof. It does come with 2 Girard Nova awnings in the roof, not just one. So plenty of awning for your patio space. Coach does come with keyless entry. If you forget your keys, just punch in your code. Nice, easy access to get into. As we get ready to come into this coach, I do love the fact that it's got some really nice storage here. If you guys have got pets, this is great little areas where you can put dog food, leashes, things of that nature. All right, come on in. Okay, so as we come into this coach, there's going to be some really nice features. Because this is a 2021, you're going to notice here as we look at the steering wheel, okay, this is the power tech that Freightliner has equipped with this particular coach. All your controls that used to be off to the left are now going to be integrated into the steering wheel and into the little joystick you got right here. This is going to be your engine brake. That's going to be your drive, your reverse. So all your functionality is going to be incorporated within this coach. It does have digital display. As we let's just go ahead and turn this thing on. So it does have the digital display. I'm seeing this coach has actually got 3,350 miles, so she's just barely getting started. This is part of your backup camera. You do have navigation that comes with the coach. It does come with a wireless phone charger. You've got one here for your phone, but you also have another one over here for the passenger side. That's quite nice. So you've got the his and hers wireless charger. You also have a 110 outlet with USB ports here next to it. So if you are plugging in a laptop, other things of that nature, it's quite nice. Okay, you got a really nice extra bed. So this coach, it'll sleep 2, 3, 4, it'll sleep 6 pretty easy. So you got a nice big hide bed here that'll sleep 2 adults, and then over here at the dinette, that breaks down into a bed. And at the same time, it does have the televator. So what's nice is if I am sitting on the couch, I'm sitting down facing my TV. You do have another 110 outlet over here. You got a nice Bose sound bar, and then all your access, little extra storage nooks. You've got your DVD player there. And what I like about this particular area, it's a nice little area for everybody to kind of sit and visit. You've got your driver and passenger seats that turn around, and so you got a really nice, plenty of seating here. You got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people can sit in here pretty comfortably and have a way to visit. Okay, now as we come on back through here to the kitchen, you're going to see that you got lots of counter space. I like what they've done with the backsplash. Instead of just running it up like, 2 to 4 inches or putting wallpaper here, they actually got a real backsplash. They ran all the way up underneath the cabinets here. Not only did they make this a beautiful solid surface, but they actually made it practical. I like that Newmar put some cutting boards here on the other side, so you can actually really incorporate some really nice usable space throughout the coach. And then if you decide you're going to cook some fish or something that might not be so appealing, you don't want that after smell in the coach, you can just take your induction cooktop, put it out there on the picnic table, plug it in out there, do all your cooking outside. So, all right, lots of storage space here, really nice big deep drawers. You are definitely not going to be hurting for space down here. These are all soft close drawers here. And then the Whirlpool microwave here is also a convection microwave oven. You got your little bread box back here. And there is an outlet, so if you decide you want to put like a coffee pot or something else back there, you do have an outlet. You've got a really nice stainless steel sink here. I really like this type of faucet, really easy and practical for use. And then as we pan over here, you'll see we got a Whirlpool refrigerator. Does have the nice water dispenser here. It is going to have its own water purification system, so between the outside water filtration and then your water filtration in here, you're going to get some really nice clean water. Nice little pantry there, probably good for like spices. These are all adjustable. Then you got an additional pantry right here. Now as we move on through the coach, this coach actually has a nice hallway. What's nice about this with these exterior awnings, right? The sun's not just going to be beating through here, so but you do have your day and your night shades if you need to block out the sun. But there's also some really nice storage all throughout this hallway. So they're really trying to make some good practical use out of this. Nice centrally located exit door for the whole family. It does have a ladder. The ladder you just pull that little top off and a ladder kind of just falls right out of the door, so you're not having to jump out of the door if there is an emergency. Okay, so in here's our second bedroom. This is kind of nice. Each of the kids get their own private bunk, and then each window will actually open up so you can get some good ventilation in here, and each bunk does come with its own outlet, 110 with some USB ports. And then as you pan around here, you'll also see that we actually have some really nice drawers here. These are all soft close, nice little extra storage, nice deep cabinet space. You do have your nice Samsung TV here as well, and then you do have some upper storage as well. This also has the DVD player in it. And then as we pan around over here, for a 2-bedroom, this is actually, it's got some really nice storage here for the kids. This lights up. You do have some some really nice deep drawers here as well. So just loaded with closet space, drawer space, and what's nice is that the room actually comes with a door. So this is our true 2-bedroom coach. Now down here below, you're going to see that we have our central vac system. You can throw away the dustpan. It's got the toe kick, so you can just sweep it in there. Centrally located, easy access. And then we've got our bathroom here, so nice little, plenty of space here. You got your shower. You got a beautiful vanity here to the right with your solid surface countertops. Beautiful makeup lights, medicine cabinet. And if we come on back through here, this is a king bed. Now I'm about 6'1" with my shoes on. I've got plenty of head space here, right? Plenty of room to move around. I can easily walk around the bed. So as far as making a big king bed like this, you still have plenty of room. It is a sleep number. And then in this closet, you do have your Splendid washer and dryer. And let's flip this little lock up. Really nice closet space. You do have a safe back here. You do have some nice access to your fuses, to your breaker panel, and just really nice, nicely lit up here. So guys, if you have any questions about this coach, if you're interested in it, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Lance Ortega. I work here at Transwest in the Belton location. My number is 208-290-5750. And please keep in mind, we're open to, we're looking for coaches. So if you've got a trade, or if you're looking to just sell a coach, you're just getting out of it, anything 2011 or newer would be great. We're also looking for any kind of light duty trucks, 450, 350s, anything like that nature, 2011 or newer. We'll definitely would love to entertain that. So we just look forward to hearing from you. Let me know if I can help you out.